Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Winanda Soli from Class A Chemistry Education Study Program. I will present the result of our practicum with the theme Synthesis of Urea Hydrogen Peroxide. An objectified synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide (UHP) crystal, qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis of the amount H2O2 in UHP synthesis using permanganometric titration method. And tools and material. Tools: Category 1 beaker gas, watch glass, drop pipette, thermometer, glass stirrer, spatula, measuring cup, filter funnel, Erlenmeyer. And Category 2 hot plate, analytical balance, refrigerator. And material: Aqueous for general and specific hydrogen peroxide, manganese dioxide, and urea. The next experimental work came. Start weighing urea as much as 66 grams and put it in a beaker glass. Next, weighing 150 grams of hydrogen peroxide and put it into a beaker glass containing urea. Stir until the urea solid and completely dissolvent, and heating to 80 Celsius using a water bath. The next, moving the solution on the watch glass to that the solvent can evaporate so slowly until the crystal is separate. And the next, observing change. Crystal UHP result is 1.3657 grams. And the next, weighing 0.1 grams of synthesis crystal and put it into a beaker. ADD 1 drop of manganese into a beaker glass. The next, observe the bubbles of O2 gas that are formed and a few bubbles of O2 gas formed and finished. The next discussion. In the practicum, we are synthesizing urea hydrogen peroxide where 12 ml of hydrogen peroxide is taken and dissolved with 1.2 grams of urea and then heated. The next, the purpose of heating is to increase the solubility so that it can quickly produce crystals. The result obtained are wedge crystal and their weight is 1.3657 grams. The reaction that occur can be seen on the slide. The next method is qualitative analysis, which is a test term, aims to test the presence of element in a sample or the presence or absence of a compound in a sample. Next, in this method, 0.1 grams of UHP crystal are dissolved with distilled water. Then adding with solid manganese dioxide. The purpose of adding manganese dioxide is to crystal and decompose hydrogen dioxide into water and oxygen. The result obtained is that there are bubbles of oxygen gas and a black solution reaction that occur can be seen on this slide. Next, 4 conclusions from the experiment that have been carried out. The resulting UHP crystal weight is 1.3657 grams and urea yield is 96%. In the qualitative test, there are oxygen gas, bubbles, and a black solutions. Thank you.